Gusto mo ng voucher? Gusto mo ba?
Hoy! Teka. Gusto mo ba ng baril?
Gusto mo ba ng kape? Pagtitimpla kita.
Gusto mo ba ng alak?
Gusto mo ba ng manok? Libre ko na, para naman gumaan yung loob mo.
Gusto mo ba ng challenge?
Today, you're going to learn how to ask people if they like or want something in Tagalog. Hi, my name is Alex, and this is Superbeginner Tagalog, where you learn natural Tagalog in the most straightforward way. Let's get started. The question pattern we'll learn today is gusto mo ba ng, which means do you like or do you want something? Gusto means like or want. Mo, in this structure, means you. Ba is a question marker. It signals you're asking a question. You can also remove it because your tone can already show that it's a question. Nang is a connector. It introduces the thing you like or want. So the pattern is gusto mo ba ng something? Repeat after me. Gusto mo ba ng, again, gusto mo ba ng? Good. Now let's say the whole question. Gusto mo ba ng? One more time. Gusto mo ba ng? Good. Now let's say it more naturally. It may sound a bit faster to you, but just do your best. Gusto mo ba ng? Gusto mo ba ng? Great job! Okay, now let's listen to other people using this structure.
Gusto mo ng voucher? Gusto mo ba?
Gusto mo ba ng baril?
Gusto mo ba ng kape?
Gusto mo ba ng alak?
Gusto mo ba ng manok?
Gusto mo ba ng challenge?
Did you understand them? Okay, now let's learn 5 nouns you can use with this sentence structure. Money in Tagalog is pera. Pera. Pera.
Bata, gusto mo ba ng pera?
Hoy bata, gusto mo ba ng pera? Pera?
Kumusta ka na? Gusto mo ba ng pera?
Dito ka! Gusto mo ba ng pera?
Iyan, gusto mo ba ng pera? Hindi, mayaman na ako.
Number 2, house in Tagalog is bahay. Bahay. Bahay.
Gusto mo ba ng bahay? Pero tanong kita.
Gusto mo ba ng bahay?
Gusto mo ba ng bahay sa Tagaytay?
Sabi niya, gusto mo ba ng bahay?
Gusto mo ba ng bahay at lupa, rental income, condo for retirement?
Number 3, affection in Tagalog is lambing. 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 Lambing is a very Filipino word. It means showing tenderness through gentle words, a soft voice, hugs, kisses, or sweet gestures. For example, when your significant other, your parent, or your child is having a bad day, you can ask, gusto mo ba ng lambing? Gusto mo ba ng lambing? Then you can hug them or cuddle them.
Gusto mo ng lambing?
Gusto mo ng lambing? Gusto mo ng lambing? Ha?
Gusto mo ng lambing? Lambing mo!
Gusto ng lambing. Gusto mo ng lambing? Halika dito.
You want my lambing? Gusto mo ng lambing? Okay. Come here.
Gusto mo ba ng lambing at mahalikan?
Okay, number 4. Coffee in Tagalog is kape. Kape. Kape.
Gusto mo ba ng kape, juice?
Gusto mo ba ng kape o ng gatas?
Dan, gusto mo ba ng kape?
Wait lang, wait lang.
Gusto mo ba ng kape?
Ay, hindi. Tubig na lang. Thank you.
Or gusto mo ba ng kape?
Number 5, dog in Tagalog is aso. Aso. Aso.
Ayan, oh. Ayan si nanay, oh. Nay, ano na? Tingin-tingin sa aso, oh. Gusto mo ng aso?
Gusto mo ng aso din? Sige, wait lang.
Gusto mo ng aso? Gusto mo ng aso?
Sabi ni Lord, gusto mo ng aso, di ba?
So now it's your turn. How do you say, do you want a house in Tagalog? I'll give you 5 seconds. Right. That's gusto mo ba ng bahay? Okay, on to the next one. How do you say, do you want money in Tagalog? Again, you have 5 seconds. You're right again. That's gusto mo ba ng pera? Okay, let's try a different one. How do you say, would you like some coffee in Tagalog? Just try. You have 5 seconds. Yes, that also uses the same structure. That's gusto mo ba ng kape? Okay, to make sure you don't forget this structure, listen to the questions I'm gonna say and write what you hear in the comment section. Writing them down helps with reinforcement. Pause the video if you need more time. Number 1. Gusto mo ba ng aso? Gusto mo ba ng aso? Number 2. Gusto mo ba ng pineapple juice? Gusto mo ba ng pineapple juice? Number 3. Gusto mo ba ng lambing? Gusto mo ba ng lambing? Number 4. Gusto mo ba ng McDonald's? Gusto mo ba ng McDonald's? Let's make it more Filipino. Gusto mo ba ng McDo? Gusto mo ba ng McDo? Number 5. Gusto mo ba ng burger? Gusto mo ba ng burger? Last one. Gusto mo ba ng kotse? Gusto mo ba ng kotse? All right, that's all for today, and I'm looking forward to reading all of your answers and comments below. See you in the next class.